I'm Rogers Healy, and welcome to the newest luxury listing brought to you by your favorite North Texas real estate company, Rogers Healy & Associates Real Estate, right here at 155 Shepherd's Glen in Heath, Texas, which is about a 20-minute drive from downtown Dallas, but you feel like you're in the middle of the country because you have such serenity. Overlooking Lake Ray Hubbard, almost 3 acres of land here. This custom estate has it all, including almost 10,000 square feet under roof with about 7,500 square feet in the one-story main living area, except for the third-story bell tower. How about that? The third-story bell tower. How many times have you going to hear that today? The answer is once, and it's only at this listing right here in Heath. We've got it listed right around $4 million. And ladies and gentlemen, if you like to entertain, welcome home, because this property on one single living area has incredible opportunities to entertain, including a 2,000 bottle, unique, one-of-a-kind, the coolest you've ever seen wine cellar. And if you like to have friends over, this is the perfect property. 5 oversized bedrooms, 4 incredible bathrooms, and 3 half bathrooms makes this property one of a kind. And the coolest thing about it is it's available for sale, and you can purchase this home before someone else does, because your favorite real estate company, RHA, has it listed. For a tour of this property or any other in North Texas, please reach out to us today at info@rogershealy.com. Welcome to 155 Shepherd's Glen in Heath, Texas.